Next up is kind of a fun little, maybe it's a secret that my wife and I do that's kind of fun. This is a Harvest Right freeze dryer. And what it does is it freeze dries the food, and it has a shelf life of over 30 years. When we have scraps, when we have leftovers, it all goes in here, we freeze dry it, we package it. These are bags ready to go in boxes, and you can see I've got peaches here, I've got banana powders, I've got roasted veggies, and they go down here eventually in these boxes that are dated. Apples, meat, nuts, Oreos, Skittles, ice cream. You can freeze dry ice cream, by the way, strawberries, pineapple. It's easy to get an entire meal just out of a couple of these little boxes, and it actually tastes really good as well. Not only do we save money, but my wife and I could go years without using any carbon to produce food, and we're saving the methane, remember, from the food rotting, so some really good climate benefits. I wish you were here and could have some of it. That is a banana, and it is really good. This is a real way to actually save money and cut down on that food bill, which every American could use that. So it's a small thing, but imagine magnifying that by more and more people doing this. I think it's a really important idea.